Hey everyone, in this video I'll be doing an unboxing of the TVFEA smart dash cam, and we'll be seeing what it comes with. Now it should have a large aperture, should have external storage, parking monitoring, which is optional, but I don't remember if it was also included here. We have collision sensing, we have ultra clear image quality, and we have mobile Wi-Fi link. So yeah, packaging looks really nice. I wonder what they have in this envelope. I wonder if it's a money back. Just kidding. We have a thank you letter. First, let's get out this. Okay, first is first. The camera. Front camera, that is. Nice. It's a wide screen, which I was hoping for. A reasonable wide screen. Alright, so that's that. Let me try to get this out. Alright, so here's what you get. You get the back camera, you get the power connection, you get the front camera. Okay, that's reasonable. It is 4K, but let's see how that goes when I actually connect it, which I will do a video for that. I'll see what the quality is like. Alright, so we need to see what's in this letter, or rather this envelope. Alright, so the full thing comes with, after taking out what was in the envelope, you have the micro SD. Alright, so you have the micro SD, you have cleaning cloth, you also have some ends. I'm not too sure where these ends will go because each of these have already, well, isn't this where this would go? Okay, so I'm not too sure about where these two will go, but the user manual, installation manual is here, so I will be looking at that. And this little piece here is to separate the different crevices in the car, so you can actually put the cables between those parts. So the next video I'll basically have this connected and we'll see how it operates. So for now, thank you for watching this walkthrough of me actually unboxing it. There are also some clear honorable mentions. There's some clear plastics. I'm not too sure what these are for, but I guess when I go through the installation manual I'll find out. But thank you for watching this video. So far it's a nice package. I don't see anything that entails that speaks about the optional parts, which is the, let me just go back into here. Yeah, the optional parts, which is the parking monitor. I don't see anything for that, but for what I do have, it seems enough. So next video we'll see what's up. Alright guys, so I've installed the dash cam. As you can see, I have both views on. You can access the menu by pressing on the lower left button. You can get the menu, and then you have buttons to scroll down, the various options, and you use the power button to basically select. So if I wanted, I could go select, and then I can go back to the screen. The quality looks really good. Also, not sure if can you see it, but the camera is mounted at the top. I just basically ran it across, and that's basically it. You know, it's a good camera. I think it would have been better in the center. However, because I have this overhead section and I already have a built-in dash cam, or rather camera that helps with the driving assist, I could not put it exactly where I wanted it to. But here, this is with this, it is out of my sight, so it doesn't add as a distraction, and it's also able to see all sides. So yeah, it's a good dash cam. I do recommend buying it, and of course I am in the process of installing the app for it. So alright, so I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi because there's a Wi-Fi for it. The password is normal default 1234567 So I'm going to go back to the app. Let's open it. Okay. Awesome. So now it's up. Nice. Okay. Go in settings. All right, so okay, all of these seem to be parked up. Okay, so there's a membership. Okay, so there's a membership that you can get signed up to and get some additional features. But I won't go in detail with them. So I'm just gonna end the video here, but it is a good video. It is a dash cam, a good dash cam. So definitely give it a try. I'll be exploring more of the features, but for now, this is it for this video. So thank you for watching and take care.